Hey, what's up, phys family? This is day 2 of PE at home, and today's activity is called Scavenger Hunt Word Battle. And this is actually a game that anybody can play. So if you want to follow this entire series, you can follow me on YouTube, which is PE with Mr. G. If you want to collaborate and share other resources with other PE teachers, then you're more than welcome to join our Facebook group, which is called the PE Lounge. And then finally, if you just want to follow my everyday activity, you can follow me on Twitter, which is PE by Mr. G. So before getting started, you want to decide how you're going to play, which basically means, are you going to have teams or is it going to be everybody for themselves? Step 2 in our game, we need some letters, which means we need some paper and we need a marker. So this is a really good activity for your kids to make the letters and then cut them out. But if you want, I already have them typed up in a Google Sheet, and I'll link that actually down below in the description. Once you have all your letters drawn, the next thing you want to do is you want to go ahead and you want to cut them out. And I would recommend probably having at least 2 or 3 sets of letters before you start the game. All right, step 3, we have our letters. Now the next thing you want to do is find someone who's not playing the game, and they're going to hide these letters wherever they want. Some can be outside, some can be inside. It really doesn't matter, but the more spread out they are, the more fun the game's going to be. Step 4, set a time limit and let the games begin. If you're worried about this causing a mess in your house, then you can make an easy rule where if you move something, you have to put it back. Otherwise, it will be a penalty letter, which will just be a letter that will be taken before you start building your words. Step 5, so once the time is up, you're gonna bring everybody back together and everyone's gonna bring the letters that they were able to find. Step 6. So before you start word building, you want to determine how you will keep score. And there's 3 ways to keep score in this game. Number 1 is you can just play for fun and decide not to keep score. Number 2, the number of letters in a word will equal that many points. So what I mean by that is 2-letter words would equal 2 points, 3-letter words would equal 3 points, and so on. And then finally, number 3, you could play where each word is worth 1 point regardless of how many letters it has. If you're interested in a score sheet for this game, I will link up the Google Sheet down below where you can either decide to share it or make changes as needed. Step 7, set a new time limit and let the word building begin. So once the time starts, you want to take your letters and you want to begin trying to make as many words as you can before the time runs out. Once you make a word, you want to write it down and then you want to keep going, almost like you're playing a game of Scrabble. Once the time is up, all you have to do is add up the scores to see how everybody did, and that's it. So I hope you guys like this game. Please let me know your feedback, and thank you again so much for watching.